Hello students. We have discussed about a different number system that we have discussed about the decimal number system. We have discussed about the binary number system. We have discussed about the octal number system, and we have discussed about the hexadecimal number system. So in the binary number system, we have discussed about that binary number system. It consists of 0 and 1, and if you consider decimal number system, it consists of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. It consists of 10 numbers. Then if I go to the octal number system, it consists of total 8 numbers. Then if I go to the hexadecimal number system, we have total 16 numbers are there. So in this chapter we have discussed about the conversion of the binary decimal number system to the decimal number system, which I have already shown in the class. Now we will be discussing about the conversion of the decimal number system to the binary number system. So if I consider the conversion of decimal to the binary, now if I consider your decimal, as I have already discussed, it consists of from 0, 1, 2, 3, it is up till 9. Then if I consider binary number system, it consists of 0 and 1. Because we know each and every instruction that we give to the computer, it only understands in the form of 0 and 1. There is a off and a on state. Now if I convert this 32 into binary number system, that means we have to convert this 32 into 0 and 1 form. Okay, similarly this 23 also will be converted into 0 and 1. Let us see how to convert this 32 into 0 and 1 form. So for that, we know that the binary number system consists of two numbers are there. Okay, it consists of two numbers. So what we need to do, since it consists of two numbers, this 32 need to be divided by 2. How to do it? Like suppose we have 32, you divide this 32 by 2. So we know 2 16s are 32, and what is the remainder? You have to write the remainder on the side in this way. Okay, then same way again we have to divide it with by 2. So 2 8 is 16, again we get the remainder as 0. Similarly, if I again divide by 2, so it will be 2 4s are 8, it will be equals to again 0 remainder. Then if I again divide by 2, to 2 2s are 4, again remainder is 0. Again you divide it by 2, so 2 1s are 2. Okay, so remainder again it will be your 0. So if you go on dividing by 2, you have to stop up till where you can divide it by 2. That means where you get the answer as last step as 1. Okay, now if I divide this, we have get the answer as 0 0 0 0 0 1. Now how to write this in the binary form? So if I convert this into the binary form, we can write as 32 base 10, because the decimal number system consists of 10 numbers. So we have to write as base as 10. This is converted into, we have to write in the reverse order. Go on writing the remainders. 1, then comes 0, then 0, then again 0. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros are there. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros are there. So this has been converted, 32 has been converted into your binary number system. The same way if I convert the 23 into binary number system, now same way you divide it by 2, 23. So 2 11s are 22, so remainder will be 1. Same way if I divide it by 2, 2 5s are 10, again remainder will be 1. Same again if I divide by 2, 2 2s are 4, again your remainder will be 1. Again you divide it by 2, to 2 1s are 2, your remainder will be equal to 0. Okay, now if I go on again writing it, that means we have converted 23 base 10. If I convert it into binary number system, we have to write in the reverse order. Go on writing from below. 1, then 0, then 1, again 1, again 1. That means 3 1s are there. So this has been converted into the binary number system. So this is how we have to convert the decimal number system to the binary number system. So we have also discussed about how to convert a binary number system to the decimal number system. Like if I convert this binary number into a decimal number system, what we need to do? Firstly, we have to see how many numbers are there. Okay, total how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, total 6 numbers are there. So if I convert this into, first total numbers is 6, you subtract it by 1, you will be getting the answer as 5. Okay, so the first number, that is 1, you multiply with this 2 and the power should be equals to 5. Okay, plus the second number, that is 0 into 2 to the power 4, again plus 0 into 2 to the power 3, that is this one, that is plus again 0 into 2 to the power 2, that is this number, plus 0 into 2 to the power 1, this, plus 0 into 2 to the power 0. In this way you have to multiply. If I multiply and see now, 2 to the power 5 is 32, plus this will be 0, this will be again 0, this will be 0, this will be 0, and this will be 0. 3, 4 and 5. Total 5 zeros are there. So if I go on adding it, what will be getting the answer? So this will be your answer. Now you can see this is being, the answer is correct. Okay, so this is how we have to convert a decimal number system to the binary number system, and from the binary to the decimal number system, which I have already done in the class, just a revision of it. Okay, thank you.